Hey Mariana, how are you? Today, two people watching our video. Lucius is also here. Okay, thank you for joining me here today. Okay, you can see your drawing is here. And let's get started. Hello my YouTube friends, Democles Rocha here with you. I see Maria is joining us too. Welcome, Maria. If you support this initiative, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to know about our new videos, subscribe to this channel and hit the notifications bell. Maria. It's so cute. She's saying, what is it that she was saying today? Valha-me Deus, sou cearense of her. Okay, let's get started. And we start with addition. Here we have 361. Let me write it here. And also 298. 298. And also 7. Okay? You should notice how careful I was to place 7 in the ones place, right? So let's add. After I finish this addition, I will check on the messages that you are sending me, okay? Let's get started. Here we have 1 and here 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We can now say that 1 plus 8 plus 7 equals 16. I write 6 here, and the 1 from 16 goes up here. And let's add now 1 plus 6 plus 9. We can also add first 1 and 9, and that gives us 10. And 10 plus 6, 16 again. So I write 6 from 16 here, and the 1 from 16 goes up here. Now we have in the hundreds 1 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 666. That was not intentional, okay? Let's check with Google. Let's check with Google Assistant. What is 361 plus 298 plus 7?
The answer is 666.
Okay. Let's write it here. We are happy because we found the right result, right? So the result for part A is 666. Now I will erase this and we continue. What is the next one? The next one is a subtraction, okay? 2020. Let me write it here. And we will subtract 1988. Okay, all set. We now start. We cannot take 8 out of 0. So we take 1 from here. Here we have 2. Now we have just 1. The 1 we took from here becomes 10 here. Here we had 0. Now we have 10. And 10 minus 8 equals 2. We can say that because 8 plus 2 equals 10. We cannot take 8 out of 1 here in the tens. So we can borrow 1 from here. We can take 1 from 20. Instead of 20, now I have just 19. The one that I took here from 20 becomes 10 here. So, but I already had 1 here. I'm adding 10, so now I have 11. And 11 minus 8 equals 3. We can say that because 8 plus 3 equals 11. And here, 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 1, also 0. So I can write the 2 zeros on the left, but I don't have to. So the result is 32. Okay? And what does it mean? Well, it means that I will be 32 on the next Halloween, because my birthday is on the Halloween. And I was born in 1000. We say like this, right? 1988. That's the year I was born. So in 2020, I will be 32 years old, okay? I can write it here. But so that Google Assistant won't feel alone, I will check with Google Assistant, no problem. What is 2020 minus 1988?
The answer is 32.
We got it right. We got it. I'm happy. Another way to do this that I really like is we complete the small number until we reach the big number. And what do I mean by that? Well, we start with 1988 and we add until we find 2020. Let's see how we can do this, okay? I will start by adding an easy number. I will add just 2. Okay, 1988. If I add 2, I get 1990. Do you agree? Because from 88, if you add 2, you get to 90, right? And now, to keep things simple, I will just add 10. We have here 1990. If I add 10, we get to 2000, right? 2990 plus 10, 2000. But we want to go all the way to 2020. So we just add now 20. From 2000 plus 20, we get 2020. And what are the numbers that we added? We added 20, 10, and 2. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. The same answer. So this is another way to do the subtraction. You just use addition to complete the smaller number until you reach the bigger number. Okay? Let me erase this so that we can continue. And the next is a multiplication. 37 times 37. I should check on the messages that you are writing. Let me see what you guys are writing, okay? Maria wrote 666, okay? Mariana wrote. And Mariana is wondering maybe who Maria is. Lucius said, I am making the homework, mister. Good job, Lucius. Continue to do your homework. Okay, I hope you're just checking with us. And Mariana is also saying hello again. Hey, Mariana, it's good to have you here. Okay, and now we continue. Let's do this multiplication here. To start, we have to know what is 7 times 7. If you don't know, well, we can always count. Let's count, at least this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 only once, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is already 3 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We already have 5 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many times? 3, 6, 7 times 7. Now let's count. Bruno is with us too. Bruno, do you see your drawing here? Was this drawing made by you? Well, I hope it was. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 2 times 7 equals 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 3 times 7 equals 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, that's what we have here. 4 times 7 equals 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. That is 5 times 7, 35. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. 42 is the same as 6 times 7. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. We found it. It's not like you didn't know. I am sure all you guys already knew, right? 7 times 7 equals 49. Exactly. So I write 9 here, and the 4 I write up here. The next step is 7 times 3. But 7 times 3 is the same as 3 times 7. And we know that 3 times 7 equals 21, right? So 7 times 3 is the same as 3 times 7, and it is 21. The next step is to add with this 4 here. 21 plus 4 equals 25. That's what I write here, okay? And now we continue multiplying, right? Now we continue multiplying with these 3 here. What is 3 times 7? That's 21. Am I right? 3 times 7, 21. So I write 1 from 21 here at the bottom of this column, and the 2 goes up here. And it waits for the result that we find. 3 times 3, what is it? You know it's 9. And then we add 2. 9 plus 2, what is 9 plus 2? That's 11. So I write here, exactly, 3 times 37 equals 111. But I write in this position here, okay? What is the next step? Addition. We add these two numbers. Mariana asked if we could write a 0 here, right? In the last video, no problem, we can write a 0 here. Let me erase this and also erase this, and let's continue. Here we have 9 plus 0, that gives us 9. Here we have 5 plus 1, that equals 6, and here 2 plus 1 equals 3, and here we only have 1. So the result is 1369. Let's check with Google Assistant, shall we? Okay. What is 37 times 37?
The answer is 1369.
We got it right. Man, we are getting really good at this. The result is 1369. Okay, now time for division. Let me erase this. Okay, and we are about to start division. And we are dividing by 8. So let's put the numbers in position. 8 is our divisor. And what's the dividend? 25,648. This is the dividend, and 8 is the divisor. It is good if we know the multiplication table of the divisor. So I'm getting ready here. by writing the multiplication table of 8. Okay, let me move this a little bit. Okay, here we go. 8, 9. Okay, and I multiply by 8 each time. So I just copy and paste. Copy and paste. Again. One more time. We are almost done. I wonder what you guys are thinking. What are you saying? Maria? Does Maria know who Bruno is? Okay. Before we continue, let's write down the results from the multiplication table of 8. 0 times 8, 0. 1 times 8, just 8. 2 times 8, 16. You should know these by heart, right? 3 times 8, 24. If you don't know, you can always count. 4 times 8, 32. 5 times 8, 40. You just keep adding 8 each time. For instance, 40 plus 8, 48. That's the result for 6 times 8. 7 times 8, 56. 8 times 8, 64. And 9 times 8, 72. Okay? She knows who Bruno is. Okay. Now let's start the division. We start by taking a look at the first digit. It is 2. Since it's less than 8, we do not start yet. We group it with the next digit. So now we work with 25. And the next step is, what number, how many times does 8 go into 25 without going over? And you check the multiplication table, you will tell me 3 times. 3 times 8 equals 24. I write 3 here. 3 times 8 equals 24. I write it here and then I subtract. 25 minus 24, 1. After a subtraction, I bring down the next digit. Now I have 16. And I ask the question, how many times does 8 go into 16? And checking the multiplication table, you see that the number we are looking for is 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. I write here, and then I subtract. What is 16 minus 16? 0. After a subtraction, we bring down the next digit. It's 4. The 0 on the left can be ignored. Now we ask, how many times does 8 go into 4? Not even once, mister. Well, that is the same as 0. So I write 0 here. 0 times 8 equals 0. I write 0 here and I do the subtraction. I do not hide this step so you won't forget about the 0 here. 4 minus 0 is still 4 and we are almost done. There is only one more digit to bring down, 8. Now we have 48. And how many times does 8 go into 48? You check the multiplication table and you see that it is exactly 6 times. So I write 6 here. 6 times 8, 48. I write it here and then I subtract. And we finally got the last remainder, which is 0, because there are no other digits to bring down and the remainder is 0. So this is an exact division. We can now say that 25,648 divided by 8 equals 3,206. Let's check with Google Assistant. Okay? What is 25,648 divided by 8?
The answer is 3,206.
We got it! Good job, everybody! Thank you for being here with me, okay? 3,206 and 8. Let me see what you are saying. Okay? Bruno does not want to speak English. I see. Lucius is saying good job. Thank you, Lucius. Maria is still with us. Okay, she says, speak English, Bruno. Bruno keeps speaking, writing in Portuguese. Well, guys, once again, thank you for being here with me, okay? Share this video with your friends so they will know. Tomorrow, at the same time, 8 p.m., we solve some other problems, okay? Involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's it for today. Don't forget to leave a comment with a smiley face, okay? That's important. That's it for today. You have a nice day. Bye.